guys, it's me Dishanjit.
Myself Anjit.
Myself Rukma.
And it's me Shanjit and you're watching The Bomb Blasters. आज हम लोग जो चैलेंज करने जा रहे हैं that is a very fun challenge which is the dare challenge
which will be given by your favorite content creators and YouTubers.
yes so guys इस वीडियो में क्या होगा आपके फेवरेट और हमारे फेवरेट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स देंगे हम सबको कुछ डेयर्स और वो डेयर्स हम लोग को परफॉर्म करना है as simple as that but हम लोग लास्ट में देखेंगे कि हम लोग सक्सेसफुली कर पाते हैं कि नहीं so keep watching this video because you may find your favorite content creator in this video so without any further ado let's get started with the video. So guys, before we start this video, we want to say you something. जितने भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर और यूट्यूबर्स हैं सबके चैनल के लिंक यूट्यूब चैनल के लिंक और इंस्टाग्राम के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है यू कैन गो एंड चेक देम आउट एंड प्लीज शो देम मच लव हम लोग को भी दिखाना सो गाइस द फर्स्ट क्रिएटर स्लैश यूट्यूबर who has given us dare is Somali D and Sohanjini which is Music Hall. So Somali D is also having a separate channel Somali D. You can go show much love to both of their channels. So पहले देखते हैं उन्होंने क्या dare दिया मुझे.
Hey guys, so this is Shomani Ghosh and this is Shwanjali Ghosh and we are the Music Hall and yes, I also have a personal vlogging channel on YouTube. So go and subscribe and enjoy. And yes, today we are here to give a dare to the Bong Blasters. So your dare is to delete your YouTube channel. Guys, we were just joking. So your final dare is to dip a whole chocolate on ketchup and enjoy the ketchup and chocolate mixture. So best of luck. Bye.
So they have said me to have chocolate with ketchup. So let me take this much chocolate and I'm gonna coat very nicely. You can see in ketchup. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Oh guys, look.
Emergency!
Okay. पहला ही flop.
So guys, the next dare is given by an amazing content creator. Not just a content creator, she is also a home baker, which is Chef Anjana. And she has an amazing Instagram page called La Vanilla. And she is all the way from Bangalore. So let's check out her dare.
Hi, my name is Anjana and I'm a home baker and I run La Vanilla in Bangalore. So I have a dare for you guys that so let make it very sweet and salty. We will be. I want you guys to make Maggie, with the taste maker, along with the Nutella and the honey. You can add a little bit of whipping cream too, and you just let me know how does it taste. I don't know how. I have never tasted that, but I would like to know from you guys, how does it taste?
This is a very bad dare. Like इतना like मैगी का मैं अभी मर्डर करने जा रहा हूँ. उसके ऊपर हनी, न्यूटेला और क्रीम पता नहीं कैसा टेस्ट करेगा. But it is kind of a easy dare, so let's pull it off. Now, like, it is looking a new dish, chocolate Maggie. I'm naming it. Let's try it. I'm very scared. Garam hai. I'm getting the taste of Nutella, a bit taste of Tastemaker.
Oh, I was wondering from here only.
Should we also do a taste test?
Yeah, I guess you should. But yeah, come to
First,
Shah.
I'm gonna smell. Then only
No!
Yeah.
I said add some soya sauce in it.
No. Okay. Here you go.
Okay, I'm gonna be giving it a second try. Now the honey. I need water.
Okay. I'm just gonna taste it. So.
Tasting the
It tastes
egg
great.
out.
It doesn't smell like very bad actually. Gee, it smells very bad. It's good only. Like, yeah, you eat it ना. मुझे खाना नहीं है because इसके बाद मुझे मैगी खाने
अरे,
मतलब
a little bit. One.
मैगी खाने का जो वो होता है वो चला जाएगा आके. There we go. Okay. So officially, this
success.
it's a success. This dare is a success, and thank you very much, Chef Anjana, for giving this
This is
lovely,
very bad.
horrible dare.
So guys, the next dare is given by Jesu JRC.
He's an amazing singer / content creator. You can go and subscribe him and follow him. The links are in the description. So let's see what dare he has given us.
माय नेम इज जिशु रॉय चौधरी aka जिशु JRC। तो मेरा डेयर जाता है पहले तो आनजीत को। सो यू नीड टू डांस पानी पानी, जो बादशाह का नया सॉन्ग है तो उसमें डांस करना है, ठीक है, एक फनी वाला डांस करना। और रूपोमा का लिए और एक डेयर है, तुम लिपस्टिक जो होता है ना, वो लिपस्टिक मुंह पे ऐसे कुछ ड्राइंग वगैरह फनी टाइप का ड्राइंग करके जस्ट रूम अराउंड करना। तो यही एक सिंपल डेयर था। सो या
So guys, the dare that he has given me is I need to put on lipstick on my face and roam around over here. So let's put on the lipstick first. So let's put on. What should I do?
Yes. In your lips too.
Wait. Guys, this is my wing eyeliner. You can see.
So guys, apart from this, हम लोग ने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐड किया। रूपोमा को एक बार वॉक करना पड़ेगा from the gate to here. Let's go. With modeling, you know, like a model.
Hi, chop chop.
So guys, ये है रूपोमा और ये है रोड। So हम लोग ने और एक चैलेंज दिया उसको, 5 सेकंड इधर खड़ा होना पड़ेगा। Come.
So it's time for my day, which is given by Jesu JRC, which is I have to dance in Pani Pani in the road.
Not here, मतलब हम लोग ने इसको exactly रोड में नहीं है, मतलब रोड के एकदम सामने, but you can see oh a lot of people is standing. No reactions only.
Who is that? Yeah, who is that? Oh my god. Guys, अब मेरे को देख रहा है, I don't know what I am. You're done.
So guys, the next creator is Sahil Sarkar, and he is an amazing vlogger and fashion content creator. You can definitely check all the links of his channel and Instagram ID in the description box, and let's see what dare he have given to us.
Alright, so I'm very sorry first of all, both Bong Blasters, Tushanjit, Shanjit, and I don't know the name of like two guys. Both of them are juniors to me. But anyways, going straight to the point, right now it's 11:30 and I'm shooting for you. It was a very hectic and busy day. But yeah, so as Tushanjit and Shanjit asked me to give dare to them. So basically the dare I want to give to Shanjit is, bro, you have to like try Rasgulla with soya sauce, because I know how much Bengali love Rasgulla. So I don't care how you like do that. You can pour soya sauce on Rasgulla, or you can dip Rasgulla on soya sauce and you can have. But you have to like take at least 2 Rasgullas like that on camera. And to Shayanjit, I'll say, bro, you have to make a weird reel and upload that reel on your official page, Insta page, and you have to keep that for next 48 hours. Yeah, you don't have to worry. I'll share, and make sure you also share to everybody. And yeah, that's the day for you guys. All the best, and yeah, wish you all the very best, because like I'm genuinely a very, very, very true fan of Bong Blasters, man. You guys work so hard at this age. मुझे अभी भी याद है तुम्हारे एज में जब मैं था ना, मुझे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. मैं तब लिटरली पेन लेता था और उसका इंक चूस के पूरा लाइक अपना दांत लाइक ब्लू करके घूमता था. बट या, ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट टू यू गाइज, मैन. Really the hard working juniors I have ever seen from Holy Child. So yeah, cheers to you. Cheers. Like literally keep working hard, and yeah, cheers to your success.
For Shanjit's reel, Hanjit is putting some white sunscreen on.
Guys, I'm rubbing my face with oil and my face is like chugging.
So guys, the dare that I have got from Sahil Sarkar is that I have to make a very cringy type of reel, and और वो रील मुझे अपने Instagram हैंडल पे 14 आवर्स तक एटलीस्ट पोस्ट करना है. एंड तो वैसे कुछ आइडियाज मिल नहीं रहा था, तो आई जस्ट गॉट दिस सॉन्ग जो अभी रिसेंटली आया था, बचपन का प्यार. तो मैंने उसमें मुझे करना है. ये आइडिया एक्चुअली ऑफ अहानजित, और उसने मुझे ये सनस्क्रीन लगा दिया पूरा व्हाइट. सो आई एम गोना ट्राई टू मेक अ वेरी क्रिंजी रील. लेट्स गो एंड सी. सो इट इज टाइम फॉर मी टू मेक द रील. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. आई एम गोना टेक अ क्लोज शॉट.
Cringe.
Okay, so here is the reel. अभी मैं इसको मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं करूंगा. I've just written some dots in the description और share. Here's the video. I'm just gonna go and put the video in the main YouTube video. और ये सिर्फ 14 घंटा तक ही रहेगा. उसके बाद I'm just deleting it. So let's just go and see the next day. Guys, I really don't know what the heck is happening with that video. People are making remix on that reel, and people are also commenting trash and unfollowing Shanjit. Yeah, they are like commenting like in everything. So मैंने decide किया कि मैं 14 घंटा तक एकदम नहीं रखूंगा. मैंने delete भी कर दिया, तो I am sorry. First of all, guys, I'm really thankful to Sahil Sarkar for giving me this disgusting dare. और ऊपर से उन्होंने मुझे 2 रसगुल्ले खाने को बोला है. Oh God, और ऊपर से पता ही है how much I love soy sauce, इसलिए मैंने एक ही लिया है. ये भी मुझे उल्टी करके फेंकना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, so like,
Oh, this is disgusting. मेरे को देख के इतना मतलब बुरा लग रहा है इसके लिए.
it looks like brain. Ew. और guys, ऊपर से मुझे स्मेल आना शुरू हो गया. So I think
You have to eat the entire at once. Don't do drama, come on. Eat the
last and final try, not the least but final try.
Don't do drama, come on.
I'm not doing drama. As impossible. Take a small thing and just put it in the mouth.
Okay, bye guys, this is a fail.
So guys, the next day is given to me by a great mandala artist and a bottle artist all the way from Pune, and he has an amazing Instagram Instagram page named Bottles and Brushes. And so let's move on to the dare.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhojit Saha. I am an IT professional and a bottle and a mandala artist. My art account in Instagram is Bottles and Brushes. You can have a look. Today I am presenting you 4 amazing, crazy kids who are Tushanjit, Shayanjit, Ahanjit and Rupama. They are the creators of a wonderful YouTube channel called Bong Blasters. Here they present some hilarious, cool stuff, funky and out of the world kind of videos. So today I have a dare for them, which is one of them have to take a raw egg, make a hole in it and drink the egg yolk and egg white with the help of a straw. Good luck.
So guys, did you see that? What a hilarious dare it was. I need to have one anda, kacha anda. What to say? By doing a hole in it and I had to drink that. Let's do it. I think I'm gonna puke totally.
She doesn't know how to crack an egg. Go and help.
Good.
Heidi, इधर से कौन क्रैक करते हैं? यही होता है.
See, everything is falling fast. 3, 2, 1, go. Drink it. Egg yolk. You have to hit a egg yolk. Take a little bit of egg yolk. Oh God. Come on. A little bit. I'm also feeling. Come on. Drink. Oh God, पूरा बेसिन एकदम छी अंडा बेसिन हो गया.
This is a big fail.
This is literally a big fail. So guys, the next content creator is Samragi and she makes content on Instagram. So वो हम लोग को क्या date दिया है? So you can go and see it right now. She's an amazing self-portrait artist. So definitely go and check her account. सब कुछ का जो link है वो सब आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. So let's just go and see what is the dare that she has given to us.
Hi guys, this is Samragi and I'm a content creator and a self-portrait photographer at Instagram, and my work is predominantly based there. So today I'm here with the lovely team of the Bong Blasters to give them a dare, which is post a fake status or a story pretending that Rupama, as in one of your teammates, is not going to be seen in any of the videos of the Bong Blasters, or she is leaving the Bong Blasters, and watch how the reaction goes. I think this is very fun. Let's see if you can pull it off. All the best.
Guys, इस डेयर के लिए तो हम लोग अभी फिलहाल स्टोरी दे रहे हैं और उसके बाद हम लोग एक वीडियो भी बनाएंगे.
So guys, as you have seen, from the previous status, I'm not able to continue the Bong Blasters YouTube channel. But thank you for all the love and support that you have gave me, and I'm always being so grateful to you guys. And thank you. Bye.
So guys, जैसे आपने देखा ही है, the story Rupama is not anymore. So guys, जैसे आपने सुना ही है कि Rupama is not continuing anymore in the Bong Blasters, and thank you for showing her so much of love. And yeah, due to some personal problems, she will not be able to continue. So हम लोग तीनों ही आपको दिखेंगे. So हम लोग को भी उतना ही प्यार देना. Thank you very much. So hey guys, let's move on to the next dare. The next dare is given by Mishtu Didi from Fashion Kanya. So I would like to say you guys that जिसको भी fashion related content पसंद है, you can just go and definitely check her channel out. और फिलहाल अभी जाते हैं और देखते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या dare दिया है मुझे perform करने के लिए.
हे गाइस, मैं फैशन कॉर्नर चैनल से मिष्टू बोल रही हूँ. मैं द बॉन्ग ब्लास्टर टीम को एक डेयर देना चाहती हूँ. वो ये है कि द बॉन्ग ब्लास्टर टीम से कोई एक को टोटल फेस पे मैदा और हल्दी लपेट के रोड पे निकलना पड़ेगा. तो ये है मेरा चैलेंज, तो जल्दी से तुम लोग पूरा कर दो.
So Shayanjit is almost ready. Hi Anjit.
Bye.
Okay, let's go in the public.
And guys, पहला आदमी इधर मिल गया, but no replies from that side. All the best.
I have to cross the road, go to the petrol pump and then back and come.
Yeah.
Feeling really confident. मुझे उतना डर नहीं लग रहा. I don't know why. IDK.
এতক্ষণ তাহলে তুই জ্ঞান বলতি
छतरी सो इतना दूर आके अभी शाहिद
को डर लग रहा है
मतलब अभी शर्म आ रहा है बिकॉज यू कैन सी अभी फिर भी लोग मतलब रास्ता में कोई नहीं है पर फिर भी
Come on, go!
So I don't know why like Shanjit is very scared of coming in the road.
Yes. One, go. Like the reaction, I have taken nice reactions of people. Oh god, that is so close. Oh my god, people are like
Crazy, yeah. Everyone is looking at Shanjit right now. It was actually not that cringe. Done.
Done. That's the best dare performed today. That best dare.
And that was the best.
Yes. The winner of the dare challenge is Shanjit officially. So guys, the next dare is from Raj Mahindra. He is an amazing rapper and also an amazing content creator. You can definitely check his YouTube channel and Instagram in the description. You can definitely check his YouTube channel and Instagram account. The links are in the description box.
Okay, so let's just go and see what is the dare that he has given.
Let's see.
Hello guys, this is Raj Mahindra, a rapper, a YouTuber and a content creator from Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. I have a YouTube channel named Raj Mahindra where I generally put rap-related content. If you guys want, you can go and check it once. And if you guys like it, don't feel shy to show us some support, because for us, support matters a lot. But apart from giving my own promotionship, this video is mainly meant for giving a dare to one of our fellow content creators named the Bong Blasters. But before giving them a dare, let me tell you one thing, that what they're doing at their age is unbelievable, because particularly me, at that age had never thought of running a YouTube channel and running that so swiftly. But what they're doing is really unbelievable. So hats off to the Bong Blasters. But now let's come to the point. And so Bong Blasters, my dare for you guys is that you guys need to do a friendly roast to all the content creators you know in Jalpaiguri, and it should be a friendly roast. Don't take it to a higher level, but this is my dare and I hope you do it. And I have seen you guys experimenting a lot in your content in your YouTube channel, so I thought of giving you this dare. And if you guys want, you can also include me in the roast, because I don't get hurted. That I know that will be a friendly roast, so I will not get hurted. So let's see, and I'm waiting for the video. So bye. Oh my god, so what to do about this now? Okay, पहले roast करने से पहले disclaimer, this is just for fun, a friendly roast. Like अगर कुछ भी बोल दे किसी को, कोई अपने ये माइंड में लेना ही मत, जस्ट हम लोग को रोस्ट करना तो आता ही नहीं है, कुछ ऐसे नहीं तो फालतू ही होगा. बट लेट्स सी व्हाट टू डू. सो गाइस, सोचते सोचते हम लोग का माथा भी उड़ चुका है कि क्या रोस्ट करें. सो गाइस, हम लोग से ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो वी हैव ऑफिशियली लॉस्ट दिस चैलेंज, क्योंकि रोस्ट करना हम लोग के बस की बात नहीं है. और पर एक चीज बोल ही देता, लाइक वी आर द बेस्ट, वी आर द बेस्ट. वी हैव 500 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स. हम लोग का सबसे ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स. फिर भी हम लोग एक एक लाइन सबके लिए बोलेंगे. सो फॉर द फर्स्ट वन, जीशू जर्सी, लाइक इतना कम म्यूजिक वीडियो और लाओ, और देखना है. हाँ, मतलब इतना कम डालते हो, फिर हम लोग को सुनने का ही मन नहीं होता, और इतना दिन के बाद सुनते हैं तो हम लोग भूल ही जाते हैं. और क्लासिकल कुछ गाना लाने के लिए अच्छा होगा, बहुत अच्छा होगा. Okay, let's just do our next roast of music hall, which is Somanidi and Somanidi. आप लोग रैप ट्राई कर सकते हो. आप लोग का रैप बहुत सूट करेगा. I think, and you can wear all those rap hats and jewelry. Like Raja Kumar. और like आप लोग दोनों. So guys, next roast हम लोग करेंगे साहिल सरकार को. And साहिल सरकार, তুমি বেশি ফিটনেস ভিডিও বানানো, আমি মোটা सी मोटे বানাবো, ঠিক আছে? আর ফিটনেস ভিডিও বানাবো, দেখো না. तो So जिनको बंगाली समझ में नहीं आता, so she is telling that कि मतलब साहिल भाई आप वो फिटनेस वीडियो मत बनाओ क्योंकि ये मोटी ठीक है, और आप फिटनेस वीडियो मत बनाओ नहीं तो ये देखेगा. बट आई लव फिटनेस वीडियो. इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. जानने को मिलता है बट कभी कभी बोरिंग भी लगता है. तो जितने भी ये हम लोग ने बोला, ये ऐसे ही एक फ्रेंड रोस्ट, मुझे नहीं लगता मुझे नहीं लगता ये कोई रोस्ट था, बट हाँ थोड़ा सजेशंस भी था और ऐसे ही मतलब कुछ हम लोग ने जस्ट उल्टा सीधा से बक दिया. सो फाइनली ये डेयर इधर ही खत्म होता है. So guys, that is it for the video, and first of all, thank you to all the amazing creators for collaborating with us and for being a part of this video,
Taking their own time and sending this video to us. It means a lot, guys. So thanks a lot.
और आप लोग सब जाके सबको सब्सक्राइब करो एंड सबको बहुत सारा प्यार दो. एंड गाइस, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल as well as all our fellow YouTubers and Instagrammers channel and accounts for more good and amount of content.
And guys, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up.
Also share and leave a comment on what are the challenges or videos you would love to see from us.
And also guys, do support our channel so that we can make great content to you people.
Till then, keep watching the Bomb Blaster and also all the creators. Yeah, bye.